EV battery dead in 3 years? I'll show you how to double that. Worried about EV battery replacement costs? These 3 secrets can double its lifespan. You're not alone if you're terrified of shelling out thousands for a new EV battery sooner than you should. This video is your lifeline. I'm about to reveal 3 shockingly simple secrets that could potentially double the life of your EV battery and save you a fortune. We are talking serious money, people. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The 80% sweet spot. Imagine dramatically reducing battery stress just by making one tiny change to your charging habits. That's the power of the 80% sweet spot. Charging to 100% seems like a good idea, right? More range. But constantly topping off your battery puts immense strain on the cells, leading to premature degradation. Think of it like constantly redlining your engine. Sure, it's fun for a second, but it drastically shortens its life. The same principle applies to your EV battery. Now take a look at this graph. On the left, you see the degradation curve of a battery consistently charged to 100%. Notice how steeply it drops off. On the right, you see the curve of a battery consistently charged to 80%. See how much flatter it is? That difference represents years of extra life for your battery. By limiting your charge to 80%, you significantly reduce that stress, extending the battery's lifespan and saving you thousands on replacement costs down the road. It's a small change with a massive impact. Chapter 2. Temperature is the enemy. Extreme heat and cold are silent killers of EV batteries. Think of your phone. What happens when you leave it baking in the sun? The battery drains quickly and over time, its capacity diminishes. The same thing happens to your EV battery, but on a much larger and more expensive scale. Extreme temperatures accelerate the chemical reactions inside the battery, leading to faster degradation. Conversely, extreme cold reduces the battery's efficiency and range. So, what can you do? First, park in the shade whenever possible, especially during the summer months. Second, and this is crucial, utilize your EV's preconditioning feature. Most modern EVs have this built in. It allows you to heat or cool the battery to an optimal temperature before you start driving. Preconditioning is like giving your battery a shield against extreme temperatures, protecting it from long-term damage and preserving its range. It minimizes the stress of extreme temperatures, protecting your investment and maximizing its lifespan. It's like giving your battery a spa day, but instead of cucumber slices, it gets optimal operating temperature. Chapter 3. Drive smooth, last long. This secret is all about your driving habits. Aggressive acceleration and hard braking generate excessive heat within the battery, putting it under tremendous strain. Every time you floor it, you're essentially shortening your battery's life. Gentle driving, on the other hand, minimizes stress and prolongs the battery's lifespan. It's not just about saving battery life, it's about improving your overall driving experience. Imagine you're carrying a cup of coffee. If you accelerate and brake aggressively, you're going to spill it everywhere. But if you drive smoothly and gently, you'll keep the coffee safely in the cup. The same principle applies to your battery. Treat your accelerator and brake pedals like you're handling a delicate egg. Avoid sudden bursts of speed and harsh braking. Anticipate traffic flow and maintain a consistent speed. You'll not only see a noticeable improvement in your battery's longevity, but also an increase in your range. To illustrate this, let's look at a side-by-side comparison. On the left, we have aggressive driving, lots of hard acceleration and braking. Notice how quickly the battery percentage drops. On the right, we have smooth, gentle driving. The battery percentage decreases much more slowly, demonstrating the significant impact of driving habits on battery life. So, there you have it, the 80% charge limit, temperature management, and smoother driving. 3 simple secrets to a longer-lasting, more valuable EV battery. Implementing these tips might seem small, but the cumulative effect is enormous. Think about the peace of mind knowing you're potentially saving thousands of dollars, contributing to a more sustainable future, and drastically reducing the anxiety of a sudden, expensive battery failure. Knowing you're proactively extending your battery's life allows you to enjoy your EV without that constant worry in the back of your mind. It's about being a smart EV owner and maximizing the value of your investment. So remember, keep your charge below 80%, protect your battery from extreme temperatures, and drive smoothly. Which of these tips are you going to implement today? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more EV maintenance tips and tricks. We upload new videos every week to help you get the most out of your electric vehicle.